Hey, what's up, guys? I want to tell you about a possible gift idea for the tea lovers in your life. I got this really cool ceramic tea mug from a company called Ecletticos, and it's really cool. So check it out. So it has this little detachable thing, this little filter where you put the tea in. So I've already loaded it with tea, and as you see here, I just slide it into the cup. So I'm boiling some water right now, and I think it's about done, so let's try it. So I'm gonna pour it over the tea. And obviously filter out the water. No new technology here. There we go. So I'm gonna let that steep for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm gonna put the top on here so it doesn't lose its heat. So in about 5 to 7 minutes, I'll have a really strong, really warm cup of tea. Sometimes I forget, and that's what I like about this mug. If I forget, I can just pop it in the microwave and heat it up because ceramic. I don't think that's a problem. Hasn't been so far. And it's got a really cool design. Check it out. So anyway, it might be a gift idea for some of the tea lovers in your life. Once again, I got it from Ecletticos. They sent it to me for free, so full disclosure there. But I really love it, and I'll probably be giving it as a gift to a few key tea lovers in my life. Not just for the holidays, but for other special occasions. All right, enjoy. It's good stuff.